Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to create an automatic student grade calculator in Excel as we have student name and related marks detail. And we need to find total of these marks in percentage. Also, need to make grade formula as well. To find total, we first use sum formula. Now, select Marks row. Now, only need to drag down formula. Then, we move to find percentage. To make percentage, first we need to select Obtain Marks. So we select Total Marks Given. Now, assuming each subject marks total to 100. Now, click on Percentage to change. Now, drag down formula to apply below. Similarly, we need to make grade formula. So, we need to use conditional logical formula. We use here formula equals to if. Now, select percentage cell. If percentage is less than or equals to 80. Now, if condition is true, it gives us status, pass. In the else, we use here, fail. You can make changes in the exiting formula. Now, test our formula. Now, drag down same formula to apply below. Now, test again our formula with changed data. In this way, we can create an automatic student calculator using simple technique. If you face any issue, please type in our comment section.